Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make a green tea that will help your body to fight against some cold virus and also help to boost your immune system. Continue watching to find out all the important and secret ingredients I use for this tea. To make this tea, I'll be using green tea, mint, lemon and ginger. My tea contains mint leaf. You can use fresh mint leaf if you like. I'll be using ginger, which I've already washed. I will peel the ginger. Wonderful nutrient. It will help to fight cold and flu and boost immune system. It also helps to aid digestion. I'll be using spoon to scrape out the ginger skin. This method prevents you from wasting the ginger. Try it. I'll be using grater to grate the ginger because I want to get all the nutrients from the ginger. If you like, you can cut the ginger into smaller pieces. Add the green tea and mint tea bag into the plate. Pour hot water and allow it to sit for about 3 minutes. This is so good. It will help to relax tight muscles and also help to reduce gas or bloating. Tea has antiviral effect against virus and it contains healthy bioactive compounds. It helps to boost your immune system and also help to speed metabolism. After about 3 or 4 minutes, the tea is ready. I'll be using a sieve to strain the tea. Done straining the tea, I'll be adding lemon. I will squeeze some lemon juice into the tea because it is high in vitamin C. You can enjoy this tea between meal or after meal to minimize the nutrient intake or iron absorption. This video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.